What's up guys, this is Hardik here. So I never expected my channel to go through all these things, or should I say I never expected myself going through all these things. But as you guys know, I had a OnePlus 7 Pro, brand new, got it on the launch day itself, and it had some touch issues where the top left and the top right corner were unresponsive at some times. First I thought they were like some sort of software issues, so I thought of holding it off for a couple of days, and I did. So after a couple of days, like after 2 days, the touch responsiveness got even worse. There were a few ghost touches, like even if I'm not touching something, but still something was clicking here and there. And also the top right and top left, as I said, got even worse. So I thought of replacing my OnePlus 7 Pro, and I did contact Amazon, and they were great. And the technician came home, he saw the issue, he saw the video, and he requested for a replacement, which I got today, so a day later. And as soon as I unboxed the phone, the first thing I saw here is at the back that like there were fingerprint markings already on the back. So the back was not cleaned. There were dust particles, or there was dirt on the front screen as well. Then I saw that the camera module, which is supposed to be flushed, entirely flushed, as you can see, is not entirely flushed with the phone. And if I like try to push it down, it goes down, but then it comes up again, as you can see. So it is not flushed with the device. And then another weird thing I saw is at the bottom, as you can see on the SIM tray, there is some sticky material already on it. And that was the most like weird thing about this. Is, I think this has been used by someone, and I got a refurb instead of a replacement. I also like there are also a few scratches on the camera module if you see closely. I'm not going to open the camera module because I have to show this to the technician guy. So but I'll just show you guys a couple of photos on the screen right now of the issues or of the scratches that I saw on the camera. So yeah, that was my experience with the OnePlus 7 Pro. I don't know what to say. Amazon is really great, or has been really great in terms of their customer support. I tweeted out to OnePlus, but I got no response as usual. No response for the OnePlus India team, no response from the OnePlus support team, no response from the OnePlus itself, or I don't know who else to contact right now for this issue. I even tweeted them out for the display or the touch issues before, but again, as I said, I got no response in that aspect as well. So I don't know what exactly to do. I did contact Amazon, and they did appoint another technician to come visit my place, and he's gonna check everything about this device, and hopefully I get a complete refund for this device. I have literally lost interest in getting a new phone now. I don't know what exactly to do at this moment, but if there's an option, I might return this OnePlus 7 Pro and get a complete refund. So yeah, if I get a replacement, I'm going to reject it, because I don't think that the another phone I get, the replacement unit, the second replacement is going to be any new. So I'll just ask for a refund. And again, I want to thank Amazon for such a great customer support. And yeah, I think I'm gonna end this video right over here. This has been the OnePlus 7 Pro, and again, as I said, I never expected anything of such sort on my channel. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys have any other device that I should cover, if I get a refund of this device, do let me know in the comment section below. I'll try to get it. And the thing is, I really liked this phone. I really loved it. I loved the display, I loved the 90Hz refresh rate, I loved the battery. The camera was mediocre, but it was fine. I loved everything about this phone, but because of such quality control issues, I don't think I'm gonna get another OnePlus anytime soon. But yeah, for now, that is pretty much it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And yeah, I hope to see you guys in my next video.